Okay na yun, guys. I-visit ko lang yung aking... Oh, meron dito isa eh. Pero hindi siya lumaki. Oh, I need to get this. Meron na dami na. Di ba? Bago mag-winter. Ay, meron pa dun. Oh my God, this banana.
I'll have to chop some of these leaves.
Ayun, meron pa dun. Bago siya mag-ano, guys. Where? Ay, meron pa dun malaki. Ay! Malaki, yeah. Can you get that? Big?
Growing there.
Ayun na, hindi ko abot.
Do you have any?
There. Yeah, I know. Can you reach that?
I didn't realise this started flooding.
Can you reach that first, please? 2. The big one. There.
You have to be careful. There's not a snake in here. You've got to be careful. So break this one.
Yeah. And the other one. Big one. Yes, thank you.
It's the gift.
Hindi ba meron tayong dalawa ng palay?
I think this was a mistake. We can call that a mistake.
I don't know what to...
I just have to cut it off.
Ito pala ba this one?
Just have to keep it.
This one.
Which one? That
This
one's pulling
one,
off.
Yeah. Thank you. Can you pull that so that it will gonna grow?
Yeah.
And kamatis. And this one also, the other one. And this one,
I didn't even notice that.
Oh my God. Yeah, thank you. See, have bitter melon. Tatlong bitter melon.
You might have another 3 or 4 or 5.
Yeah. Oh, Dada! It's big. Can you pull that?
6.
This one, oh.
How many more?
No need to pull. No need to just bring it down. Ito pwede na to eh. I think this is okay now. Because you see, it will gonna turn yellow if I'm not going to pick it up. Yeah. Okay. O, 4. Okay na yun. Paggiginisa tayo ng ano.
Well, I'm surprised. I thought that would be the rest of it.
Ng
It is only nice.
bitter melon. May kamatis.
Getting the compost already down.
Oh my God.
About,
Lemon is
I
too
put
small.
about 20 buckets in there.
Lemon is too small now.
It's because these vine has overtaken the tree.
Yeah, I know.
I'll have to get on the ladder maybe in a few weeks and just pull it all off. I think what I'll do, I'll sneakily cut. I'll cut them. Cut the ones that are growing.
Yung orange. Hindi pa yan okay. Orange. Can you silip? If there's on this side. No. But there's another one there.
Polluted. There's another one up there, which is also
Yeah, I know.
polluted.
Yeah. No, that's okay. Do you have pears? No.
Don't think so. I think the
Orange, ha? Hindi siya. Mag-orange niya kapag okay na
They
siya.
put some cookies. Before it gets
Bok choy.
Yeah, I know.
Big.
It
That's
keeps
okay.
coming back.
That's okay because there's a seed in there. So.
Yeah, there's also 2 avocados growing.
Yeah. Do we have a fruit? Ay, laman.
At the moment, I can just see the flowers growing.
Oh, that's good. Sayote. Yeah, sayote, guys. Sayote. Where's
Just
the
a little
flower? Oh, yeah, there is now. Oh, yeah, alat, oh. Dahil bulaklak. Yeah, it will gonna grow.
Just to left, I reckon.
No, I think it's okay. Because it's in.
That's not good.
Yeah. Hey, yo!
Can't
Where
allow
you
that.
fall?
Well, it's gonna break open though.
Ang daming bulaklak. Ang okra. Ang daming
I'll put it there.
okra. So,
It needs a lot more framework to grow on.
yeah, that's okay.
So it needs another one of
Yun
these
lang siya. Sa maliit na pasoker.
pipes up the top here.
Anong tawag dun? Yun ang talbos. We'll eat the talbos. You know the talbos, this one, we can eat this one, Loba. This one, the end.
Shoots.
Yeah. So, hindi ko kasi kaya i-ano yung ampalaya eh. So, ayokong sirain. Yung mandarin. Okay na siya. Pero yan lang ang bunga niya ngayon. For this year. And I don't know why. Pero naglalaglagan na sila. Tapos meron pa dun. Marami rin pala to. Too much rain. Ayan o. I think it's
Grass
big.
is growing through that carpet.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't think it would ever do that. All you have to do is just lift it up and push it down.
Isili ko. Masusurvive kaya siya? Oh my goodness. I think you need to put it inside.
See?
Yeah, may kalamansi.
Yeah. But
You need to
needs
put
some
it
more light.
inside there, oh. Dun sa ano.
Oh, the greenhouse. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need some watering putting in first.
Kasi it's
to fix that.
may flower siya, guys.
Yeah, they're coming back, aren't they? You get another set.
Yeah.
It's flowering. You got a rose.
Yeah. Yellow.
You got a rose.
Cute naman.
I'll have to separate this one.
Oh, this one, Loba, mahuhulog na to. It will gonna...
It's going to break out the pot. It probably has already.
Frangipani? Is that frangipani?
Small one, like that.
Lemon.
I think this one is dead. Or nearly dead.
For today's video.
All this rain.
Bitter melon.
There's lights on everything. Come on in there. Now you want to come out. Do you want to go
Come
for
on,
a walk?
babe. I don't like.
When I say
Come on,
walkie,
come
walkie
on,
doesn't
come on.
want to come. Look at you.
Ligo na ako. Ay, can you get my... Yan, mamaya na itong lutuin. So, for bitter melon. Diba? Kinasang ampalaya na may kamatis. Mamaya.